Today we're going to bring a portable digital microscope. Now, when I first saw this, I was very impressed because it's the size of it. Normally I get these large microscopes with the actual screen, and it's a little hassle because you got to move this around, but this one will be portable. So if you guys are science teachers out there and want to study maybe micro stuff like leaves or any animals or any kind of bugs or some sort of things, this is probably a good way for teaching, keeping kids interested. Very simple. You can connect it to your laptop, your desktop, and take it pretty much anywhere. So let's take a look at see what they give you here. First of all, they give the microscope itself, right? And it's a USB connection. It's a plug and play. You're really not going to need anything else besides just plugging it in. Two options. This is a unique option. Type A and then a micro USB. So you could even plug this in on your phone if it's possible. And if you can't, if you have a Type C adapter, even better. So this will actually type A to Type C or to micro USB, and this could be portable for the phone. Doesn't even have to require to actually carry anything with you other than what you have in your pockets. It could be your phone and this device itself. Now, if you want to stand, they do have the stand for it, and of course the manual's in here how to set it up, and pretty much you lock it in. There's two point connections in here, 2 bolts connections, so you can loosen it up however you want, tight it up. This is actually really handy for your fingers, so not that bad. Now, to release it, it'll be on the top to actually squeeze the bottom. There is actually a screw underneath of it, and that's where we're going to actually put this in there. Put this in there. Run it up, and we're going to run this down, and then we're going to put the screw, and then it goes into a connection to your USB, either your laptop, your desktop, your portable cell phone, pretty much anything. Now, if you don't want this stand, you can always have it by itself, and they have different attachment for the actual point where the camera is, so you don't damage the camera too and keep it clean. If you need to be on top of something, like say for example something that's very micro and you need to take a look at it, this device here, if you can see, they all attached to at the end. If you guys notice, they all attached to it, so you could pretty much look at exactly, it could be a penny, a nickel for your coin collector. This is a perfect device. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how it works. Let's go ahead and download an application you need for your phone, for your smartphone. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go into camera mode, and we're going to go ahead and take a picture of the actual screen, and it gives you where to go. So we're going to go in here and go there, and it tells you if it's an Android, we're going to go to Android devices. We're going to enable the microscope setup, update it because we haven't done it for a while. So smart endoscope, if you guys can see it, we have it on. So we want to loosen it up, and it's finding the device, activate device. What do we have? USB, pretty much, or it tells you the device model number MS100. So if we don't see it here, we can always say default, next step, connect it, and then we're on. And here's the connection. And if you guys can see, I'm going to put it down here. Look at that, fine detail. Of course, you have to manage the actual microscope and twist it to your settings. So right now we're upside down. We're moving it forward. All right, today we're going to take a look at an actual motherboard and see some of the features, and we're going to record on our phone too. So we're going to go ahead and put the phone down. We're going to say, instead of photo, we're going to say video. So we're going to record it. We're going to see the motherboard pins. You guys can see that. Let's go ahead and record it. We're also going to zoom in a little bit more. So let's go into the points. There we go. We got a little device going. We can see the motherboard. Sorry about the dogs. I'm actually in the garage today working. Look at that. We're able to see what's in the motherboard. So I want you to see something. I 3D printed modeled this model, and I want to see how bad the actual 3D print is at. So we're going to record it so you guys can see it. And I'm going to show you some of the features in here. And you could see it from here. Let me see, my 3D print came out. Look at the quality of the 3D print. So I'm able to assess the whole thing just by putting to see how bad the 3D print came out. Came out really bad. It looks really horrible from here. I think I'm gonna have to repuddle some and clean it up as much as we can. So this is the Mandalorian. I was trying to 3D print it, but it came out damaged right there. So we're gonna have to reprint this again, maybe on another device. But you can do things like this, and for classroom setups, this is great. You could record it, you could live stream it. In fact, we could live stream anything on here. And of course, just putting this down, simple as setting that up. I like that they give you the instructions where to get the software, the manual itself, and then that it's compatible with my phone. And then you can see the barcode. Let's see if I can see the barcode in here. You can see the barcode and then focus in. I like that easy to focus in and zoom in and zoom out. You guys can see that. And we're capturing a perfect setup. So I'm actually focusing on the card itself. And it's really good. Great details. You could actually even go further up, further in, and then focus some more. And if you guys can see, you can see the details on the actual card itself. Right now I'm moving my hand, but if I had this sitting still like I'm doing it right now, I could actually clean it up a little bit more. There it is. All right, very important to know that you have the control of the microscope through here, and this will actually turn off the light on and off, on in brightness and off, and so and so. So if you don't need the actual LED lights to be too powerful, in fact, so here's the actual LED lights. We control the light by turning them off, turning them on. So that's another thing that is great about this. Everything's in your hand, especially look how bright the lights are. Right? So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.